what's up everybody, Alex here. Thank you for checking this video and welcome to the new series Learn Laravel from Scratch. If you're watching this video, you probably already know what Laravel is and what tools and software you need in order to develop an application with it. If you do, you can safely skip this video and go straight to the next one once it's available. If instead you're totally new to these, no worries, you're in the right place. Welcome to my introduction to Laravel. Laravel is a PHP framework that gained a lot of popularity in the past years. It's a flexible and powerful tool that borrows a lot of ideas and approaches from other frameworks like .NET or Ruby on Rails. And thanks to the sort of natural and streamlined PHP programming, it elevates itself in being approachable and suitable for building any kind of project. Just to slightly touch upon the topic, if you ever heard someone saying, Laravel is not good for large-scale applications, it's just a toy for small-side projects, that's absolute bullshit. And you can be sure that that person has no idea how Laravel works and how it should be used. With that said, here's a list of all the things you need in order to properly follow this series. A working local development environment. We will code a lot. And having the outdated approach of writing code on a file, deploying that file to your server via FTP, and reloading your web page is not sustainable on the long run. You need a local development environment installed on your computer that allows you to run PHP. I personally love to use Laravel Valet, and luckily for you, I did a video on how to set it up on Linux. You can also install Valet on macOS by following the official guide, it's really simple, or if you're on Windows, you can use Laragon. You can find all the links in the description below the video. A local database. In order to use the full potential of Laravel, we need a local database to connect to our framework. I'd recommend installing MariaDB or MySQL, and also in this case, you can find a video I made about the installation process. Many tutorials like to use SQLite since it's recommended for local storage and simple websites, but we're gonna go full power and a bit overkill since we want to simulate a large-scale application and future-proofing our app for big data, or potentially store the database on a separate location for security reasons. Basic knowledge of the command line and bash commands. Laravel comes with Artisan, a command-line application built in PHP that streamlines a lot all the more tedious aspects of starting a project. Knowing how to navigate between folders and having a general understanding of bash commands, it's a must in order to not get stuck or confused from the get-go. If you're totally new to these, I'd suggest you quickly going through my Switching to Linux series to get used to simple terminal commands and learn all the basics necessary for this series. Basic knowledge of PHP and object-oriented programming. Laravel is obviously built in OOP or object-oriented programming, and a lot of methods need to handle properly typed attributes. If you have no idea how to write OOP or what a typed language is, I suggest checking the first 20 or so videos of my WordPress plugin series from scratch, where I included a quick introduction to PHP object-oriented programming, explaining how to create and initialize classes, attributes, different types of methods, and so on. Throughout this series, we're gonna build a forum, which is perfect because it covers the standards aspects of a CRUD application with create, read, update, and delete methods, and gives us the opportunity to understand how to properly handle authentications, privileges, handling users' assets, and scale the application for a higher volume of traffic. Hope you guys are excited as I am about this series and all the juicy knowledge we're gonna absorb in these videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to not miss any of the weekly videos I'm gonna publish. And if you like this series, consider hitting the like button to let me know. I'm gonna try to be as thorough and detailed as possible while teaching you Laravel, but of course if you're interested in a specific topic, let me know by leaving a comment below and I'll be sure to make a video about it. Thank you all for watching and I talk to you in the next one.